everyone, welcome to today's video, a very exciting, highly anticipated video. This video is all about you guys. So as I have mentioned before, I've been gathering some items for you for a big celebration for 11,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. You guys are honestly the best. I love our little community here. I love talking to you guys. You make my day. I consider you all friends and I want to give back. So I wish I had the money to ship all of you guys items, but that's why I do these giveaways periodically, so I can ship at least some of you, and I plan to continue the giveaways in the future. So in today's video, I'm just going to go over the prizes. There will be some surprises too, we'll get into that. And I'll tell you the rules. And I was gonna do this video like incorporated into like another video, just so like, I don't know, people didn't just like subscribe for the giveaway, you know, but whatever. We're just gonna do this video because I want it to be all about you. We don't have to talk about any boxes, even though you know I love to do so, and I'm guessing you guys love to see boxes as well. But I have a box here of stuff. I'm not gonna send it in this box. I honestly don't even remember everything inside. So first I'll go over the rules and then what's in the box. So like I said, there's gonna be some surprises, so not everything's in here. Like this is mostly things like I've gotten in boxes, like I said, I don't really know everything, but like beauty stuff, primarily like skincare. But I didn't go and grab any like jewelry, handbags, or like maybe like scarves, or like fall, winter type apparel. So there will be that element of surprise, but yeah. Thank you guys, I love you. I hope you like everything in here. So rules are easy, same rules as all my giveaways, honestly. But the number one rule is obviously you have to be a subscriber, since this is a giveaway for my subscribers. So if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, well, you better do so now if you want to win these items. But and then 2, like this video. And then 3, leave a comment down below. And this is important because when the giveaway is over, I will use a random comment generator to select the winner, and then I'll make sure that the winners followed all the rules, so they're subscribed and liked the video. And then I will pin the winner's comment and let them know that they won, and the winner will have 48 hours to get back to me. If I don't hear, I will draw another winner's name. Yeah, so I think that's pretty self-explanatory. And then I will allow you guys to do multiple comments, so you can come back and watch this video and comment every day. I do ask that you watch this video in full, like 1, so you could see what you may potentially win, and 2, it'll help me out. I mean, views in general help because with shipping costs and stuff like that, because this is probably gonna be really heavy. Most of my giveaway boxes are, so thank you in advance for watching this video and all of my videos. I guess this is a big thank you for you guys watching my videos. Yeah, thank you guys. And then I think that's all the rules. If you guys want, it would be really great to like share with your friends or on social media. That could be optional. It's up to you, because I know not everyone has other social media channels anyways. So we'll have this run for a month. Right before I turn on the camera, I looked it up. This will end on December 8th. I can't believe it's gonna be December in like 3 weeks. That's crazy. I say that when the date comes up every time, but for real. But I mean, I guess that means we're at least closer to the end of 2020. But I'm sure you guys want me to get started, so let's go ahead. So I did throw some things on top of this pile that came in a recent box, and I mentioned to one of you that I was going to share. So I recently received some Korean skincare in PR, and it was a lot, and you guys are like, I can't remember who, I'm sorry, you know who you are if you're watching. You're like, wow, that's so much, I hope you really appreciate it. I'm like, I do, and I hope you do too, because you may win it. So I have some Korean sheet masks here, and these are by Supplya, and the first one is the Fresh Pomegranate Sheet Mask. Oh gosh, it wouldn't be a video if Archer didn't cry. It's getting to be close to sunset. Oh, it looks kind of pretty if you guys can see. I don't know if it'll be cropped out. A fresh blueberry mask, and then a hand mask. This is great for when you have dry skin with like the weather changes. Peel off aloe mask, and a peel off gold mask. An egg cream face mask. The black mask, is it a charcoal mask? I think I put one more thing in here. Yeah, I put the other mask, so I think I'm gonna be like more than half to you guys, so I hope you like it. And the Natural Berry, well, Archer's hyper. Natural Berry Bubble Cleansing Foam. And I think that's it from that box, but if not, it'll come up. And then we have the Kitsch Microderma Roller for your skin. It says for your skin on there, that's why I said that, obviously. I have this wallet here, so I did find this, but it wasn't in my like bin where I have all my purses and stuff that I want to give away eventually or whatever. I can't remember. I think I got this in a brown paper bag. And yeah, there's a bunch of compartments. I think it's a pretty blue color. Hopefully you do too. And then I grabbed a journal. I usually put journals in all mine. I have a few, and I just like journaling and like planning and stuff like that. So this one's like felt, and it has this pretty blue closure. And then I think this is makeup. Yeah, this is something I just recently threw in here too. Code Beautiful is the brand, and it's their Lid Lift Enhance. This is like a concealer and eye primer and eyeshadow in one. Oh, I just threw this in too. This is a high ticket item, I think. I can't remember. I think it's like $40. This is by Dr. Brandt, the Microdermabrasions. This is an exfoliator you use a couple times a week or 1 to 2 times a week. And I've used it in the past, and it does really help. Oh, I put another hand mask in here. This is called collagen gloves, because I figure a lot of you live in cooler climates and your skin needs it more than I do. There's a lot of skincare, you guys. I hope you are in need. Next is a 3-step skincare kit for exfoliating. There's like, so it has like everything in one, like cleanser, what does it have? Yeah, glow cleanser, plumping sleeping mask, and an AHA peeling pad. And then there's a 3-step lip mask too. There's a exfoliating scrub, lip mask, and a lip plumper. Here is a soothing aloe mask. Oh, and I've had this for a while, but I haven't used it. And I was like, you know what, I should give this a proper home. This is like that one 3-step, but it has 8 steps in it, I believe. Yeah, I'm sorry for my skin, 8-step travel jelly mask. So look, it even tells you all the steps. I think this is really cool. So you can have like a little spa night at home. And this is kind of random. These are silicone socks, but I think you put like lotion on your feet and then put these on. It's supposed to like help your skin absorb it more. So again, with like the dry weather where you guys are potentially. More masks. We have a 3-step one, but this is the recharging one, Better Skin, Better Tomorrow. And this one has the glow cleanser, hydro moisturizer, and an intensive sheet mask. Wow, I put a lot of stuff for hands and feet, but again, I'm just gonna repeat myself. I want you to have it over me. Keratin Socks Premium Foot Mask. Gosh, I have so many masks. This is Freeman Melting Sugar Face Mask. I think multiple uses are in here. I'm just looking for masks now. I'm like, wow, mask heavy, and lip mask. And then I think that's it. Next we have, by the side chick box, the Lust Dust Bath Dust, and this is in pineapple. I have 2, no, I put wow, there's 4 soaps in here. Bar soaps. I have accumulated so many, and I live alone, and I have one body. Why am I even, I'm so weird. So I've accumulated a lot, and I wanted to share. I think for a while I was like hoarding them, not hoarding them, but like not putting as many in giveaways because there was like a shortage, remember, with like cleansers in general, like household cleansers, and I don't know if bath soaps were, but I'm like, well, worst case scenario, I could use these. Anyways, this is a honey oatmeal bar. These all smell good too, and these are all like supposed to be like better for your skin, or they are. I've used several before, more than several. Summer Days, Orange Bliss Silk Bar, and Tranquility Silk Bar. And then, what do I have next? Ooh, I have a few of these, and I actually use this as my micellar cleanser now. This is by Raalte, the Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water, and I like this. So it takes off your makeup, and it also has ingredients like hyaluronic acid in it. By Wish, I have the Botanical Primer with bakuchiol, which is like a plant-derived alternative to retinol. It reduces environmental stress and is skin balancing. By L'Occitane, I have a deluxe size of their Cream Comfort Comforting Cream. I have some lip balm. Did I put more than one? Let's see if I have more. I thought I did, but here's one lip balm for now. This is the Me Botanicals Nourishing Organic Lip Balm in Simply Natural. So I don't think this one has much fragrance or any. And then I have a hair product. This is by Moroccan Oil, and this is their Protect and Prevent Spray. Oh, here's another soap. This one's cool. It has a crystal in it, and it's just really pretty. This is Desert Lover, used for visions of love. Rose quartz reawakens the heart to allow one truly to give and receive love from others. It carries a high spiritual attunement to the earth, universe, and the divine, and will help you move forward with love, leading your soul's true purpose. There is one more mask. I think this, no, there's like little ones too, but whatever. This is a multi-use one. This is the Mermaid Face Mask. It's made with 100% natural bentonite clay, organic kelp, and organic coconut. Ooh, this is exciting. I'm putting in a full-size Sunday Riley because I already have a smaller one. I've always wanted to share Sunday Riley with you. I have another little Sunday Riley too. Oops. Can't lose anything on the ground. Actually, my room's kind of clean right now, so if I drop it, I'll be able to find it. And I have the Saturday, what is it called? Yeah, just Saturn. Why did I say Saturday? Sulfur Spot Treatment Mask. So you can use this as a 20-minute mask or as an overnight spot treatment. And what else do I have in here? Oh, there's also like a little information thing. I just put it in this bag to keep them together, but there's another item in here. Oh, this will go with the next thing, so I'll just put this back. So I have two products here by Ren in the same line. So the first one is the Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. And then I have the Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. I think I've used both of these before actually. For sure the mask. I think the moisturizer too, and I do like Ren skincare. And then where's that Sunday Riley product I was talking about? Yeah, so this is just an itty bitty guy. This is, I think their newest moisturizer in the line, unless something else has come out since. And this is Ice, the Cream Hydronite. I don't know. I think there's like coconut in here or something, but it's a moisturizer. I threw some tea in here. I might throw some more tea actually because I have so much. I for sure will. Let me write that down so I don't forget. Where'd that piece of paper go? Did I lose something already? Tea. But the two teas I have here, these actually came from Israel. We have the Jerusalem Harmonizing Enriched Tea and the Refreshing and Robust Galilee Tea, I think. And then we have an Ofra Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Spell. I own this shade as well, and I think it's really pretty. It looks really bright, but I tried it on the other day. It wasn't filming. Sometimes I put on makeup I don't always reach for, like late at night when I'm bored, I guess. I don't know, I just like doing makeup. And I really liked how this looked. And I have I was gonna say sample, but a deluxe size of the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. Deluxe size mascara by Ico, the Rollout and Lash Out Mascara. I have a full-size lipstick here by Mally. Is that the brand's name? I don't know, but this is the Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lip in Coral. It's sealed, so I'm not going to open the box right now, but there's a little aromatherapy for you guys. Me Botanicals Breathe. This is essential oil blend for headaches or stuffy noses. And by Bliss, the Oh My Gommage Gentle Polishing Cleanser. And this is kind of random, but I don't think I'll be using it, so I thought maybe you guys could do it. This is a $10 gift card to Beauty Care Choices. So you get $10 off your order on this site. I just turned it around and I'm redoing this part because I had the code to get it on the back. Next, by Eva NYC, the Satin Dream Leave-In Cream. This is for your hair. And then there's three things here. This is actually a lot, but again, there'll be some surprises, the bigger things, like a hamburger even. But anyways, the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Wow, I think whoever wins this is gonna have like 20 face masks. There's a little hand sanitizer you can keep in your purse. I just threw in here that I got from with my Ofra order. And then the last thing to show you guys, aside from the surprises, is by Dr. Jart. It's a Ceramidin cream. It's good for really dry skin. And yeah, that is the majority of the prizes the winner will receive. I hope you like it. If you guys need some ideas on what to comment down below, you can tell me what you think is the most exciting in this giveaway stockpile, or you can let me know what's your favorite subscription box, or what's their favorite subscription box like that I open, that you get. What are you doing tonight? Anything. You can just say anything. Just don't like... I don't even care. I don't have any rules about that. Just say whatever you want. And yeah, thank you again, you guys. Your support really means the world to me. I love you guys. I am so grateful for you every single day, and I hope it shows. But if not, at least this giveaway is a thank you. But I really am. I love you. I hope you're having an amazing day, that you're safe and healthy. And yeah, thanks again. I'm so awkward. Thank you again. I love you. Have a great day or night, whatever time of day it is when you're watching this. Good luck, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.